In this video, I'll be telling you about a site where people who build AI apps make them public, so anyone can use them. And right now it has over 400,000 of these AI apps. But it's not just fun apps. Some developers also release powerful AI models here, like new ones from ChatGPT, such as O3 Mini, and some of the best AI image generation models, like Flux, if you can't run them locally. It's a place where AI creators share their work with the community, making cutting-edge models accessible to everyone. Definitely a site worth knowing about. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out and ensures you won't miss any of the cool tools and tips we've got coming your way. So this right here is the Spaces directory from Hugging Face. And what's cool is that they also feature their Spaces of the Week, where they showcase new and exciting apps every single week. Now, there are tons of categories here. Things like image generation, language translation, speech synthesis, 3D modeling, and a whole lot more. On top of that, there are some really fun sections too, like chatbots and sentiment analysis, which honestly is a super interesting one. Plus, get this, there are even AI-powered games, like this one right here, Neural Jam. I actually played it, and yeah, it's pretty fun. It's this AI-powered detective puzzle game with AI characters, so if you're into that kind of thing, definitely give it a try. Now, in just a moment, I'll be showing you some of the coolest spaces that I found. But beyond that, you also get access to the latest models. For example, you can see Janus Pro 7B is available here, along with Qwen 2.5 Max, FluxDev, Midjourney, and a bunch of others. And the best part? Most of these are open source models, hosted by the community for free. So you can literally just hop on here and start using them whenever you want. Okay, so let's go ahead and search for an app. For example, let's say I need to put a logo on an image. I'll just open up this space so you can see how it works. Alright, so here are the requirements. We need to upload the logo image, describe what the logo looks like, and then specify where exactly it should be applied. Let me go ahead and fill this in real quick so I can show you what happens. Alright, so here's what it generated. You can see that I uploaded the logo image, described it as a circular maze, and then told it to place the logo on the side of a cup. And these are the images it came up with. This was the original logo, and this right here is the final image it generated. I'd say this looks pretty cool. Alright, so next up, let's check out some other apps. For example, let's see if we can generate a 3D model from an image. We've got this app called Trellis, and as you can see, it's super simple to use. All we have to do is upload an image, hit the generate button, and it'll create a 3D asset for us. Plus, if we want to export it as a GLB file, which is a format used in 3D apps like Blender, we can do that as well. Alright, so let me go ahead and upload an image and show you what happens. So I uploaded an image of this car right here, and check this out. You can see the 3D model it generated. This is what it came up with, and honestly, it's really impressive. It looks pretty accurate, and yeah, this could definitely be a game changer for the 3D industry. Alright, let's see what other apps we can find. Say we want to use an image extender. I'll just type in extend image and open this one. Now, let's go ahead and upload a picture of Elon Musk and describe it as a man standing on the red carpet. We'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and generate the image. And yeah, that was pretty fast. This is the generated image, and honestly, it looks really good. Alright, let me show you another fun app. It's called AI Comic Factory. Essentially, you can use it to create comics. Here, you can see different style options, and I'm going to go with the American modern style. For the grid layout, I'll stick with the default one. As for captions, we'll keep it as it is. Let's write a Jurassic Park style story featuring a man and a dinosaur. For the style, I'll enter jungle and island. Now, let's see what it generates. For some reason, the speech bubbles weren't generated. Let me check. Yeah, it looks like they didn't appear this time. But this is how the tool generates comic books. It's a pretty fun tool, and there was an option to provide a more detailed story, though I don't see it here right now. You can actually go ahead and create your own spaces as well. They provide a full introductory guide along with detailed instructions on how to set everything up. Plus, you can use the different tools and models they offer, and by doing so, you'd also be contributing to the community. For example, if I search for a model like Flux and open it, you'll see that this model is being used in different spaces, including one created by the developers themselves. By the way, this is one of the main reasons I use Hugging Face. I love generating images, and right now, Flux is the best model for that. I come directly to its page, and the rate limit is pretty generous, so I can generate a ton of images whenever I need them. But coming back to the point, if you're passionate about a project, then honestly, just go ahead and put it up here. That way, you'll be able to demo it to a lot of people while also helping them out at the same time. We're starting a weekly segment where we showcase some of the most interesting and fun apps that pop up on Hugging Face. So if you like that idea, let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.